Every year, India celebrates 15 September as National Engineers Day in order to appreciate contribution of M. Visvesvaraya, who is India's first engineer. It is quite often said that India is a country where you become an engineer first and then decide what you need to do with your life. Now, given this background, it becomes really difficult for an average Indian to venture into a field of sports, and that too in cricket. In India, many cricketers make their debut at very young age. They hardly get any time to complete their education. But still, there are a handful of cricketers who hold an engineering degree. In this video, we are going to see 6 Indian cricketers who are also qualified engineers. First cricketer on the list is Anil Kumble. With 619 Test and 337 ODI wickets, Anil Kumble is the highest wicket taker for India in both the formats. Kumble graduated BE from RVCE College in Mechanical Engineering in 1991-92. The leg spinner also holds keen interest in wildlife photography. Post his retirement, Kumble has served Indian cricket as head coach. Next on the list is Krishnamacharya Srikanth. Krishnamacharya Srikanth is regarded as one of the greatest hitters of cricket ball. He played a crucial role in the final of 1983 World Cup. Srikanth ended his career with 43 tests and 146 ODIs. After retirement, he had a stint as a coach of India A team. Since then, he has been broadcaster and commentator with various sports and news channels. Srikanth has also served as a chief selector in year 2008. Next on the list is Javagal Srinath. Former India fast bowler Javagal Srinath has taken more than 300 wickets in ODI internationals. Srinath is a joint highest wicket taker for India in the World Cup alongside Zaheer Khan with 44 wickets. He has a Bachelor of Engineering degree in Instrumentation from SJCE College in Mysore. Post his retirement, Srinath is currently serving as ICC's match referee and also officiated games in recent ICC World Cup. Next on the list is Irapalli Prasanna. Irapalli Prasanna made his debut against England in 1961. Pairing with B.S. Chandrasekhar, S. Venkatraghavan and Bishan Singh Bedi, Prasanna created spin quartet during the 1970s. He was highly successful not only on Indian turning wickets but on foreign pitches too. Apart from his credibility as cricketer, Prasanna is an alumnus of National Institute of Engineering, Mysore. Next on the list is S. Venkatraghavan. S. Venkatraghavan was one of the finest spinners to represent India. He is a qualified engineer from famous College of Engineering in Chennai. With 156 wickets in 57 tests between 1965 and 83, he was much better player than the numbers suggest. After retirement, Venkatraghavan took up umpiring. He was a member of ICC's elite panel of umpires. He has also received Padma Shri in 2003. And the last but not the least, Ravichandran Ashwin. Ravichandran Ashwin is currently India's leading bowler across different formats. He has been a force to reckon with both in Asia and outside the continent. He has won ICC Player of the Year award in 2016. Ashwin graduated from SSN College of Engineering with BTech degree in Information Technology. Ashwin is also an Arjuna Award winner in 2014. With this, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Do share your comments below. Do subscribe to my channel and please follow it on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. See you soon again in the next video. Thank you.